to Lesson 12. In this lesson, we'll look at our next group of nouns, those of the fourth declension. Our phrase is, Et benedictus fructus ventris tui, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb. Fructus is a fourth declension noun. Most fourth declension nouns are masculine. The prayers of the Rosary include several of these nouns, for example, fructus, spiritus, and cruciatus. But, as you may have noticed, second declension nouns also can end in us, and we've seen some like Christus, Dominus, Sanctus. So, how do we tell which are second declension nouns, and how do we know which belong to the fourth declension? The key, as always, is to check the genitive singular endings. As we've seen in previous lessons, this is the form that identifies a noun's declension. Second declension nouns have the genitive singular ending e. Fourth declension nouns have the genitive singular ending us. Here are a couple of examples. Deus, Dei, God. We know that this is a second declension noun because the genitive singular form ends in e. Another example, fructus, 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 fruit. We know that this is a fourth declension noun because the genitive singular ends in us. What about primus? That also ends in us. Well, that's a trick question actually, because primus is an adjective. It's used to describe a noun. The entire form, as you recall, is primus, prima, primum. So it's the kind of adjective with the us, are, pattern. And primus, the masculine form, will be declined like a second declension noun. That's a good reminder of the importance of learning the entire listing for each word, and for learning all your parts of speech very well. Here's the paradigm for a fourth declension noun. Us, ui, u, us, ibus, ibus. As you'll see, the genitive plural ending has two u's, and these are pronounced separately, Now here's how spiritus is declined. Spiritus, spiritus, spiritui, spiritum, spiritu. Spiritus, spirituum, spiritibus, spiritus, spiritibus. You'll note that spiritibus has 4 syllables, and the second syllable needs to be emphasized. Spiritibus. Vocabulary now. And you have a variety of words, 2 fourth declension nouns, a second declension noun, and 3 adjectives of the us, are, variety. Spiritus, spiritus, masculine, spirit. Fructus, fructus, masculine, fruit. Exilium, exilii, neuter, exile. Gariosus, gariosa, gariosum, joyful. Pius, pia, pium, pious or faithful. Vivus, viva, vivum, living. Note that while the definition generally given for pia is pious or faithful, when this word is used in the Salve Regina to describe Our Lady, it's always translated as loving. Homework now. In your text, there are exercises at the end of the lesson. There are supplementary exercises to download, and this week there's a crossword. Don't forget your drill schedule so that you can stay on top of review. That's it from me. Goodbye and God bless.